Welcome back to the class, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to talk about today is the Forex market timing. Now, the good news about the Forex market is it's 24 hours. That's the best thing about this. Anybody can trade anytime you like. Basically, if you have a day job 9 to 5, then you can come home and start trading after 5 o'clock if the market is still open. If you're doing a night shift and you want to, obviously go to the bed in the morning, in the afternoon you want to come back to the trading, then the Forex trading you can still do. Basically around the globe, this market is always open. New York, London, Tokyo, Sydney, in Hong Kong, the Asian markets, European markets, all they go around the clock, and because it's a global market, so it never shuts down. It starts from one end of the world and go all the way to the other end. So anytime suits you is actually good for the trading. Now I'll give you little examples here for the UK time. For example, like you can see at 12 o'clock, the Sydney one opened around here. Right? Let me just bring them up for you. And it goes all the way up to Sydney and Tokyo. They open up about the same time or half an hour difference. Depends what time is in UK, because our clocks go forward and backwards and twice a year. So sometimes it's 7-hour difference and sometimes it's 8. That doesn't really matter. So Sydney is open up, is going all the way to 6 o'clock, and Tokyo open up with it all the way going to 6 o'clock, for example. So this is not a bad time. This is night time in UK. This is a midnight, right? Now, this is midnight. So my midnight, if anybody wants to trade at 1 o'clock in the morning or 2 in the morning, whenever it suits him, they can carry on doing that. And until 6 in the morning in UK, you can see their two markets are open together. So the volume will be quite good. And it's not a bad time to trade. As soon as the Sydney is closed, but Tokyo is still open, and Tokyo will come and meet the London market in the morning. London market opens up 8 o'clock. So the 8 o'clock means that the Tokyo will be closed after 1 hour. 9 in the morning in UK time, the Tokyo will be closed. But the London is still on. So basically London will keep going. Around 1 o'clock, depends on the time, 1 or 2 o'clock, depends which time zone we are in. But basically, they both open, and this is the best time for trade for the Forex, because the volume is really, really high. Even up to after that, the market is still open 8 o'clock. That's in the evening, and then all of a sudden, the 9 o'clock, then the market is still keep going around the clock till 11 midnight, before the midnight. So this 1 hour gap between 11 and 12, this is a 1 hour gap. People think the market is not working there, but you know what? It's still working, because the online, especially the online market, online one, that's always on, but the volume will be very low, obviously, but the pairs and the market never shuts down. So you can still buy and sell online. You can place your orders for the future orders, or if you've done your analysis and you think, I'm doing my analysis 5 o'clock because I'm going to bed after this, then you place a trade for 11 o'clock at night. And if the price comes to your level, then it will be executed. Either you just buy or you sell. That doesn't matter. And then you can go to sleep. So it's going around the clock. And that's the beauty of the Forex market, because it never shuts down. And it's Monday to Friday, by the way. So it's Monday to Friday. So in all these 5 days, excellent choice. Time suits you, and the time you want to trade, that's entirely your choice. You guys have a lovely day, and I will see you very soon. Thank you very much.